What's up YouTube, and thank you for watching the Soldier Barber Life. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of my in-home barber studio, so let's go. When you first come in, I do have this little privacy screen here. I just have this partition set up so it can create a barrier between where my house is and when customers come in and they go into the barber studio. They really aren't looking into the house. It's more for privacy reasons. And then when you first come in here, right now you can see it's just an archway. I do intend on getting a door built here, so this area can be closed off. Once people come inside, I can shut this door and have this area completely closed off. But the reason why I chose this room is because it's right off of the front door. As soon as you come in, clients come in and they go directly into this room without having to go through the rest of my house. And this is a pretty decent sized room. When I first came here to this house, it did have carpet on the floor in this room, so I did have to redo these floors myself. So the size of this room is about 100 square feet total. It's about 10 feet by 10 feet, which makes it the perfect size for a studio. Pretty much has all the essentials that I need to be able to fit in here without feeling too crammed. I have my barber chair here, the station, a sitting area, some storage where I have my fridge, TV, a little table that's over there, just everything I need in there, and then a closet that I have all my storage in. More than enough space to where when I have my clients in here, I don't feel crammed, and everything just works out good for me. So the first thing you notice when you do come into my studio is the barber chair. I have the Keller Salon Knockout Gold chair. I really like this chair, and it's really the focal point for my whole barber studio. This chair did run me about $1,500. I've had it for a couple years now, and it was a great investment. Spent extra money on it, but I definitely don't regret it. It also has the headrest that I mount over there when I'm not using it. And underneath there, I just have a mat just to help out, so when I'm standing for long periods of time, my feet and back don't hurt. The next thing you see here is my barber station. This is a barber station that I got off of Amazon. It's called the Artist Hands Barber Station or Salon Station. Did come with the mirror and the shelf there on the left. I did add some of the shelves up top here all along there just to store some of my hair products. Underneath it, I have my trash can, my hot towel, dirty area where I throw my dirty towels in there after they've been used, and my hot towel warmer. Got some storage inside there, and you can see that I have all my clippers, my lineup. In a separate video, I will go into detail with that and give you guys a tour of my barber station, but this is just a kind of a quick glance at it. I do have both of my ring lights mounted on both sides for even light distribution. These are the newer ring lights, the 18-inch ones with the wall mounts. I definitely recommend getting the wall mounts so they're not on the ground and you're not tripping over them. And I got my facial steamer that is there. My mirror, like I say, all my products and all that I store up top there. And over here is where I have all my barber capes and aprons, smocks and stuff. I store all that stuff that's there. Over here I have my barber pole mounted on the wall. And then just a station, a little table here that I have some of my business cards, trash can, and one big thing, having one of these, forget the name of what they are, but I've got essential oils in there. Gives the room a really nice good scent and just creates a whole vibe for the whole room. And here I've got this little futon that I have right now. This one is getting a little dated, so I'm gonna be purchasing a new one just to get a newer, better quality one in here. And then over here I've got my little shelf that has some decorations on it. That's where I keep my clean towels, some decorations, and the Marmara 24 karat gold limited edition barber cologne. I keep that on display. I have my refrigerator here that I usually stock with drinks that are complimentary for my clients, and just have the Super and Barber edition that they sent me. I keep that up there for decoration. My TV that I have there, my sign that I have on the wall that just has all my prices and all the different services that I have, additional payment methods that I have. And if you don't have this right here, I definitely recommend getting this, one of the IVACs. This thing right here is a game changer when it comes to cleaning up the shop when you're sweeping up. Instead of having to bend over and get a dustpan, you can just sweep all the hair into there. I have it in manual mode, so you just hit the button like that, sweep all the hair, comes in there. Definitely a great addition to have. Aside from that, I do have some decorations on the wall. I have the Gamma golden gun, and then some just golden tools that I have up here on the shelf for decoration. And then I also do sell hair products that I will store up here for the clients. Up top there, just the barber side certifications that I did, the courses that I did there. And then here is when I do my self-cuts, my self-cut system keys gold edition. That's where I keep that the mounting pieces for that. And then inside I got a closet, and this is just where I have storage in here. That's my self-cut system 3-way mirror. Got some stuff up top for the kids, the booster seat, storage, supplies, other things in there. And then I also keep my portable shampoo bowl inside here. We'll be doing a separate review on that. Right, so that's gonna do it for my barber studio tour. As you can see, you know, this isn't some lower end barber studio. This looks like something that you might find in like a salon suite or something like that. I did spend quite a bit of money to give this studio that full effect. I just didn't want to have a studio that when people came to, they felt like it was just somebody chopping in the garage or chopping in their house, and it was just kind of low end feel. I wanted to give the clients a genuine high-end luxury feel that they could enjoy when they're providing that service for them. If you guys have any questions about anything that I have in here, I will drop some of the links in my description. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, drop a like on here. Thank you guys for watching.